Hey guys, I'm Matt with Me Church here at the first annual Lone Star Smokeout. Let's go have a day. I'm really excited. This is my first time emceeing Lone Star Smokeout. This is the Texas brother of the famous Windy City Smokeout, which I think has been going for like 14 years. It's massive, like 20-something thousand people a day. You know all the country artists, all my barbecue friends go there. So now it's finally here at AT&T Stadium, home of the Dallas Cowboys. Nobody, better to MC it than me, so let's go check it out. There's so much to do here. There's obviously all my barbecue friends here, so we're gonna eat like kings, but there's a lot of things for kids to do, families to do. There's like golf simulators, Yetis here doing custom cups. I mean, there's all sorts of stuff here. It's time to go eat some barbecue. Amazing barbecue here. I've been scoping out the list. I wanna try Dayne's, Panther City. I wanna try some brisket ice cream. I love you. Let's see, we got brisket ice cream. I want some pork ribs from my buddy Jordan Wright. I mean, this pork belly lumpia from Dayne's looks amazing. The crunch, I think you could hear it all the way through this computer you're watching this video on. Hey, maybe if we play our cards right, you'll see us in Chicago. You want us at the Chicago Windy City, get in the comments. Holler at Windy City, tell them to bring us out. Woo, smells good over here. Oh yeah, there's Dayne. Well, I'm here with my barbecue besties, Dayne's Craft Barbecue in Aledo. Normally I'm with my buddy Dayne, but I thought I'd go to the top, the real boss, the Wyatt.
The boss, yeah.
Athlete, let's do it. Well, and we're having brisket. We're having fatty brisket, look at this. This is why you come to Lone Star Smokeout.
That's why you come to Dayne.
Oh. I'm gonna need a minute. Look at this.
We brought a lot today. We sold out really fast yesterday.
I'm gonna be real honest with you. I have never had better brisket in my life. Oh.
You say that to all the girls.
Here's why I'm here. I've had this pork belly lumpia 4 times in 3 days. 4 times. I am awarding this my favorite bite at Lone Star Smokeout.
Oh, wow. What an honor. I didn't even know that was coming. That's a surprise to me too. Wow. Wow. Thank you. I accept. I humbly accept.
The bad news is there's no big trophy.
No, that's not bad news. I don't have any more room.
All right, if you're at Lone Star Smokeout, you have to come and get this. Or if you're not here, you should go to Aledo to Dayne's Craft Barbecue. See Ashley, see Dayne, order anything, it's all amazing, but this is special.
Every Friday, every Friday.
I'm here with my good buddy Chris, Panther City, Fort Worth. Obviously, you know, insane barbecue. But for me, the Flacos Tacos, I love these. You gotta tell us what's in them before I take a bite.
So we've got a corn tortilla with brisket, asadero cheese, cilantro, onion, and then we griddle more asadero cheese on the outside of that shell.
Oh my gosh, say asadero one more time.
Asadero.
I ain't mad at it. I'm here with my buddy Jordan. So, an Arkansas guy coming to Texas, which is a tall task, but recently James Beard nominated, and overall super nice guy.
Love it, man. Welcome. Welcome to Wrights.
Oh, welcome to Texas.
You need to come up for the next Alabama game.
Done. First, let's just eat these ribs.
Sure, let's dive in.
Oh, perfectly cooked. Oh my God. I'll be back. I need a minute. Dude, so good.
So we hit it with our meat rub, and then we go do a mop. We hit a mop about 2 hours in, let a mop set, and then we glaze and wrap.
Ah, these are killer. Now I know why James Beard nominated. Man, good job.
Thank you, man. Our team crushes. We've got 3 smokehouses rolling now in Rogers, Johnson, and Little Rock. And you go to any of one of them, you're gonna have a rib. You're gonna have that rib.
So good. Gotta go see them.
Yeah, man.
A lot of great music. I'm fortunate enough to get to MC the headliner and then the band before them. I got a few things up my sleeve to try to get the crowd going. Never done it before, not really nervous. I think it's gonna be fun. Let's go. Come on, let's hear y'all. Heck yeah. I'm Matt Pittman, AKA Meat Church, MC of the first annual Lone Star Smokeout, and super excited to be here. Did you guys eat some great barbecue today? Music's been amazing. Hudson Westbrook killed it. Eli Young Band, amazing. I mean, DJ Pauly D, who would have known? Well, and I have to tell you guys, you know, I love me a Miller Lite, and I'd never seen these gold cans. And I'm thinking, this is gonna be a little test, but I think science, this beer tastes even better in a gold can. What do y'all think? Let's test my theory. Let's go. Oklahoma's hottest rising star with over 200 million streams. Coming up next, Mr. Wyatt Flores. I may not even need another shirt thanks to Poncho. Feels amazing. Well, it's about to be a wrap on this one. What a party. Man, had some awesome barbecue, listened to great music, got a little bit of beer on me, ton of fun. I gotta go introduce Midland, listen to them. See you guys next week. All right, let's get ready. Well, I gotta tell you guys from the bottom of my heart, these 3 days have been so fun. I'm a barbecue nerd, so obviously all the food was amazing. Love country music. Everybody has just killed it. This crowd is amazing, and this is the first year. Like, let me ask you guys a question. Do you think that this can be as big or bigger than Windy City in Chicago? Yeah. Everything's bigger in Texas, so super excited to keep this thing going. All right, well, up next, these guys need no introduction. Based on my last introduction, you probably think I have a drinking problem. All right, you guys get ready. Coming up in just a minute to close out the inaugural Lone Star Smokeout. Let's hear it for Midland. That's a wrap.